Okay, here's a cold start of the van, the E250. So, let me see if I can video the exhaust. But it's very cold out. It's got to be 5 degrees out. It was like negative something last night. So, here we go. There we go. Oh shit, that's a very, very cold start. Woof. That's fuel injected this morning. Very hard and cold start today.
Nothing but this in here tonight. Oh, if you ain't me, you know it be quiet.
Still smoking.
DJ Spazzo.
Traffic had the city slow. She was sitting down on that big butt, but I was still staring at the door. Yeah, low key and maybe high key. I been peep that you like me, you know. Who the you really wanna be with besides me? I mean, it doesn't take much for us to do it quietly. I mean, she say I'm obsessed with thick women, and I agree. Yeah, that's right. I like my girls BBW. Yeah, type don't wanna you driving and eat some lunch with you. So thick that everybody else in the room is so uncomfortable. So Houston, Texas, with the face look just like Claire Huxtable. Oh, yeah. You the man in the city with a man, but you the NBA players, but you the
Fucking freezing out.